All right, so we're making elk tacos, but this is a special way. This is a backstrap from my bull that I shot last year. So what we're gonna do is I throw a little bit of salt on it. I'm gonna throw it on the grill, and then we're gonna be bringing it in and doing a different way. So watch along, see how it turns out. So I just threw it on the grill. What I do is I'm going to cook it to medium rare in the middle. I'm probably about 5 minutes aside, but I can kind of tell by just looking at it. Play with it because each cut of meat is thicker or thinner, because you could use roast, backstrap, or whatever you want to do. But do not overcook it. That's the biggest thing. Then we'll take it off the grill and we'll take it inside.